Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure Windows is fully updated and your GPU drivers are current, because DirectX 12 depends on that stack. Once done, run Display Driver Uninstaller if you moved between AMD/NVIDIA to avoid leftover conflicts. Next, install or repair the DirectX 12 runtime and the x64 Visual C++ redistributables. This resolves missing DLLs that break Inzoi. Make sure to reboot after drivers and runtime changes so the system loads the new libraries correctly. Once your system libraries are stable, open Inzoi's launcher or config. Inai and explicitly set renderer to DirectX 12. You do this to force the correct API path. Then validate game files via the client or re-extract core assets to repair corrupted game DLLs that cause DX12 errors. Make sure to run Inzoi as administrator so it can access GPU resources, and disable third-party overlays because they inject hooks that commonly conflict with DirectX initialization. These steps clear most mid-process failures. Finish by performing a clean boot and testing Inzoi with only essential services running, which helps isolate software conflicts. If the crash or startup error persists, gather DXDiag and GPU driver logs so you can pinpoint DLL or feature failures. Meanwhile, switch the renderer to DirectX 11 to keep playing while debugging. One key troubleshooting tip: perform a clean GPU driver reinstall using then reinstall the latest driver and retry DirectX 12. Often that single clean driver cycle resolves stubborn initialization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.